Good day to all of you. So in this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to convert a binary number to hexadecimal number system. So for binary, this is base 2, and then hexadecimal is base 16. So for base 2, the reason why it's base 2 because it only has two values, which is 0 and 1. And then for hexadecimal, so hexa means 6 and deci means 10. So 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. So it means it has 16 unique digits. So just like the decimal number system, it has values 0 to 9, and then the remaining 6 are letters, which is from A to F, which has equivalent numerical values such as A has numerical value of 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and then F is 15. So to convert binary to hexadecimal, it's relatively easy compared to converting it to decimal number system because binary and hexadecimal, both of its bases are powers of 2. So let's have an illustration on how it's relatively easier to convert a binary number to hexadecimal number. So let's have, of course, a binary. A binary number must be composed only of ones and zeros. It should not have any other digit because if it does have, such as 2 up to 9, so it means it is an invalid number. So you have to make sure that binary number has only zeros and ones in its digits. So let's have, of course, let's proceed with the example. Our first example is we have, so let me write this example. Okay, 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 point 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 base 2 because it's a binary number. So to convert it to hexadecimal, as we can remember, hexadecimal is represented in binary in 4 digits. So for us to remember, if you memorize the values in hexadecimal and it's binary equivalent, but it's better if we can derive. If you don't memorize it, so 16 divided by 2 is 8, so we have 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we have 8 zeros and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next is we have 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 4 zeros and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros and 4 ones. Okay, next is we have 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 zeros and 2 ones. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And then last but not the least is 2 divided by 2 is 1. So alternate zeros and ones. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, then we have the values. Write the values from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have, as I've said, hexadecimal has numbers from 0 to 9. And then where are the letters? So we have this one. 10 is for A, 11 is for B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and then 15 is F. So just to check if we have the correct values, for example, we have 12. So let's look the ones. Okay, the weight of this one is 1, 2, 4, 8. So for 12, we have 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Just add the ones and the weights of these ones. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is the table. So what are we going to do here is we have to group by 4 this binary digits. So we don't have just to group it by 4 here, but we have to consider the radix point. This is our starting point for grouping. So for integer parts, group it going to the left, starting from the radix point. And then for the fraction part, okay, going to the right, starting from the radix point. So let's group this first for the integer part to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. So we need 4 digits. But since it's only 3, we have to add 0 to make it 4. Do not add 1 because it will change the value. But if it is 4, you'll not be changing its original value. We've already finished grouping the integer part, and next is we have the fraction part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 2 digits left. So we need 4. So we have to add 2 zeros. And please don't add 1. It will also change the value. But the question is, what if we're not going to add 2 zeros? You can be confused and make it, oh, it's 1 plus 2 is 3. No. So that's why we need to add 0, 0 because it has a different value if you add 0 for the integer part. So next is we have, okay, get the values based on this table. So we have 0, 1, 1, 0 is 6. And then 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 is we have 13. And then 1, 1, 0, 0 is 12. And then 0, 1, 1, 0 is 6 also. And then we have 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. 1, 1, 0, 1 is 13. 0, 1, 0, 0 is we have 4. And then 1, 1, 0, 0 is we have 12. So this is not yet the final answer because we need to convert these double digits into its letter equivalent. So we have the final answer is 6. And then 13 is D. And then 12 is C. And then of course 6 is 6.3. 13 is again D. And then 4. And then we have 12 which is C base 16. So this is our final answer if we're going to convert a binary number to hexadecimal number. So to further reinforce our learning in converting binary to hexadecimal, I will provide another example. Okay, so another example. So we have 1, okay, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, point 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 rather, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So again, the rule is for binary to hexa, let's group it into 4. So starting from radix point, the integer part is going to the left and the fraction part is going to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 1 digit left. So to make it 4, add 3 zeros. Okay. And then next, we're already finished with the integer part. Then fraction part 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's exact. So let's get the values in hexadecimal. So we have this is 1. And then 1, 0, 1, 0 is actually 10. 0, 1, 1, 1 is 7. 0, 1, 0, 1 is 5. And then 1, 1, 1, 0 is 14. And then 0, 1, 1, 0 is 6. Again, it's also 6. 0, 1, 1, 0 is 6. And then 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. And then, of course, we have to convert the double digits into letters. So we have 1. So 10 is A. Then 7, 5, 14 is E. Point. We have 6, 6, 9, base 16. So this is our answer for this is the equivalent hexadecimal number for this binary number that is given. So I hope that you've learned. Actually, it's very easy. It's just that you have to be familiar with the values in this table. So if you don't have any questions, but if you have questions, so please feel free to comment. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Good day and stay safe.